Hi, welcome back. Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back in Parul's Pathsala. And look, today I have written such a beautiful and inspirational lines. These are from Robert Frost poem. Okay, he's a famous English poet. These are woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. These are such an inspirational and motivational lines. And you may take example that take example our former prime minister, our first prime minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When he died at that time, these lines have been found from his pocket. It shows that how much is was he influenced by this writer. He was fond of his writing, and these are quite inspirational, quite most motivational. Like when you just get demotivated, then such sort of things you just fill up energy in you. Okay, what it means, there are difficulties, there are hurdles in our way, in our life, but you have promised to, आपने कुछ वादे किए हैं, आप खुद से किए हैं, अपनी फैमिली से किए हैं. ये लाइफ है, इसमें नो डाउट नथिंग विल बी quite smoothly, that you will find all your things on your demand, and things will be quite clear. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि जो आप चाह रहे हैं वो आपको हर टाइम अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. जैसा आप चाह रहे हैं, जो आप पढ़ना चाह रहे हैं, जहाँ आप एडमिशन लेना चाह रहे हैं, जो कुछ बनना चाह रहे हैं, दैट विल बी, बट इट टेक्स टाइम. होता है बट टाइम लेता है. तो उससे हमें क्या करना है, उन डिफिकल्टीज से हमें ओवरकम होना, उभरना है. एंड जो हमने अपने आप से प्रोमिस किया है, दैट टेक एग्जाम वट एवर प्रोमिस यू हैव टू डन टू यू, कि कुछ भी कर किया है आपने, कि मुझे कुछ बनना है, कुछ करना है, उसको आप डेली उसको विजुअलाइज कीजिए. लीव, यू जस्ट लीव दैट ड्रीम. हियर स्लीप स्टैंड फॉर, यहाँ पे आपने ये जो पर्टिकुलर टर्म है, मेटाफर इज हियर. स्लीप के दो मतलब है. स्लीप मीन्स सोना, और स्लीप मीन्स दैट इटर्नल डेथ. इटर्नल स्लीप मीन्स डेथ, कि मरने से पहले मुझे कुछ करना है. माइल्स टू गो बिफोर, अभी तो मुझे बहुत चलना है, बहुत चलना है, जब तक ये जर्नी, ये लाइफ की जर्नी एंड नहीं होती. These are such an inspirational. I personally like these lines very much. Okay, so that's all for it. Now come to our today's structure. In our previous structure we did the structure should plus do. What was our previous structure? It was should plus do. Where we use this structure, we use this structure for showing obligation, duty and necessity. Okay, हमें करना चाहिए, हमें रूल फॉलो करना ही चाहिए, हमें जल्दी उठना चाहिए, ओबे करना चाहिए, स्मोक नहीं करना चाहिए, इन दिस sort of. And lest, with lest I told you earlier also, lest follow should. Okay, without should there is no use of lest. Work hard lest you should fail. Work hard lest you should fail. Work hard lest you should fail. Drive slow lest you should meet an accident. Okay, sleep early lest you should get upset or depressed. Okay, in such way, here our point is lest, there is no value of lest if it is not with should. Okay, so I hope you get my point. Where we use this structure should. Should, it's a modal है. कहाँ यूज करते हैं? For showing duty, moral obligation, permission, necessity, we use this structure. हमें अपने हमें जल्दी सोना चाहिए, we should sleep early. हमें जल्दी उठना चाहिए, we should get up early. हमें एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, we should do exercise. We should do exercise. We should not eat junk food. We should not eat unhealthy or stale food. Okay, we should drink, हमें पीना चाहिए, एडवाइस दे रहे हैं, we should drink plenty of water. Okay, we should drink at least 8 to 10 glass of water in a day. In this way you may use this structure. Okay, हो गया. There is a, now move to today's structure. Our today's structure will be can plus do. And where we use this structure? We use this structure for showing permission, ability. Okay, permission, ability. Like, and most of the time we use this structure for ability. Ability के लिए ही ज़्यादा यूज होता है. It may be your physical stamina, your mentally condition. Some there can be any sort of ability. मैं तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ. I can run fast. Here it's showing your physical stamina, that you have the guts, you have the ability that you may run fast. Okay. I can solve these sums within a minute. मैं कर सकता हूँ. You know that you are mentally strong and you have command over your subject, that you may solve these sums within a minute. I can drive. I can drive car. I can ride scooty. He can ride scooty. He can crack the entrance of a bank. He can crack easily. It means you have analyzed that person's mental ability, that he or she is having such sort of mental ability and that they may crack the exam. You are having the confidence. Here it shows that you have analyzed their ability. वहाँ पे आपने उनकी ability को analyze कर लिया. ये आपको show करता है. Permission, in some case, that can I use your phone, or can I take your bike please? It means formally if you are asking, friends में चलता है can I take you here, it means you are not so humble. आप इतने humble नहीं हैं. Otherwise, suppose if you have gone to your principal's office or in other civil department or in our officers department, that time you use may. वहाँ पे आप may use. Why we use may I come in? Why don't we use can I come in? Because can shows your ability, that if you allow or not, I can come. I have the ability. वहाँ पे वो आपके अदर सेंस में, स्टबर्नेस में और उसमें हो जाता है कि अगर आप अलाउ करो या नहीं करो, मैं तो आ ही सकता हूँ. That's why. And but if you are taking permission to someone, then you should be humble. Humble होना चाहिए. It may be that person is busy. That person is busy in his or her work. So there you use may I come in, ma'am? May I take your pen? May I take your phone, please? Suppose you have forget your phone and you have to make an urgent call. That time, can I take it? It doesn't. And if you speak like this, no one will allow to use his or her phone. That time we should be situation के हिसाब से होता है. Friends में चलता है can I take your bike? You can I take your phone please? That case it's showing. But most of, if you are using ability, then we use मैं ड्राइव कर सकता हूँ, मैं खा सकता हूँ, मैं वेस्टर्न डांस परफॉर्म कर सकता हूँ, अच्छा गा सकता हूँ, गिटार बजा सकता हूँ, बाइक चला सकता हूँ. There we use this structure. I can ride bike. I can ride scooty. He can ride bike. Can it take only verb first form? Modals, take any modal, it will take only verb first form. First form ही आएगी उसके साथ. ठीक है. मैं अच्छी कुकिंग कर सकती हूँ. I can cook food. I can खाना बना सकती हूँ. I can cook food. वो आ सकते, गेस्ट आ सकते हैं. आज कोई आ सकता है. पॉसिबिलिटी दिखा रहे हैं. पॉसिबिलिटी. They can come today. वो आ जा सकते हैं. Here we use possibility also. आज तुम्हारा इट में बारिश के लिए होता है कि आ सकते हैं. आएगी ही आएगी. That's not sure. That's why we don't use it can rain. It may rain today. कि आ जा सकती है. वहाँ पे डिफरेंट हो गया. Guest can come today. guest can come today, your admit your result can come by tomorrow. Okay, तो कल तक तुम्हारा रिजल्ट आ सकता है. He can take your car, वह तुम्हारी कार ले सकता है. He can I can solve this sum. She can ride scooty. We can remove mask. हो गया ना अभी का स्ट्रक्चर. अब हम मास्क उतार सकते हैं. Now you can remove your seat belt. Okay, now you can remove your seat belt. उतार सकते हो. You can take off from this. In this way you have to use this structure. Hope you get my point. Okay, so hope you get my point. In this way you may use this structure. सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं, showing ability, permission and possibility. Okay, किसी चीज की एबिलिटी, क्षमता को, इट कैन बी फिजिकल, मेंटली, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एबिलिटी, परमिशन, पॉसिबिलिटी. ओके, लाइक पॉसिबिलिटी, उसके लिए हम ये स्ट्रक्चर करते हैं कैन प्लस डू. सकता है, सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं. ओके, हम वहां जा सकते हैं. आज हम वहां जा सकते हैं. टुडे वी कैन गो टू जयपुर. आज फ्लाइट लेट हो सकती है, ट्रेन जल्दी आ सकती है. टीचर आज छुट्टी पे हो सकते हैं. टीचर कैन बी ऑन लीव. ओके, आज ऑफ हो सकता है. टुडे इट कैन बी ऑफ. In this way use this structure. Hope you get my point, and that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll do some more example, and till then just keep learning, keep practicing, and that's all for today. If you like my way of teaching, if you like the content, then please subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, till then, bye. Have a good day ahead.